Hey guys, Tepco Sec Repair. If you're anything like me and you got a Ford Moto van, you're gonna have a problem like this. Okay, where all your freaking cable ends disintegrated over time, and now you can't open up the door to get to your bikes and stuff, and it's driving you freaking crazy. Well, don't worry about it. We're gonna fix it up. I'm gonna show you what I got. You can buy these aluminum ends. You can get them on eBay. Packs of like any amount that you need. So there's one that's kind of shaped with cutouts on the side. The rest of them are round. I'll show you what those are for. But we're going to go ahead and fix these. Both of these on this door are broken. I've already fixed them on some of the other doors, and now this one just came apart. So let's get it done. Hey guys, but before we get started, please do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, share this video, because I know you know somebody else got a Ford van with the same problem. Let's get started. So these side doors here like this is the rear side door. All right, it's got a handle that's riveted in, but it also, you can see right there, you can kind of see the problem. You see that whole cable is just pulling out. It'd be hard to see. All right, but it's got some clips on the inside. Get you inside here. See, and these clips are what hold the cable housing in. All right, so you can see this one up here. This is the one where it's broken. So you're able to just take the ball end out of the actual latch out there and then pull the whole cable out. So let's do that and get this one out. All right, so I want to show you the difference here. Here's the bottom clip, and then there is the upper clip. And you pinch these two sections right here, and this piece will slide out. All right, now you can see how that one slid out there. So you put the housing through, you hook it to your cable, and then you lock it into place like that. Okay. So when we get the cable out, I took the cable out, and this is what it looks like here. Okay, all junky here. We got to get all this end off of it, all these dead pieces, get a pair of pliers and cut them all off and clean up the cable. So you have a nice clean cable. All right, so these have a slit on one side right there, and you just slide it over the cable. So the cable in the center of it, and you slide it down. But you have to clean up you can't just slide it on. You have to clean up all those ridges right there from the previous end, the plastic end. So I'm going to go ahead and get a razor blade, just clean this all up and shave it down. All right, then when you shave off enough, all right, you can see the cable housing slid all the way up. You want to make sure the housing is slid all the way up into this end piece right here. And now we have our good end. So we're going to take this one. This was the bottom one that was already broken off. And we'll push it back through that hole, hook it onto the handle, and then slide that lock piece into place. All right, so there's one. Let's do the top one. All right, you can see both of these in place now. Good to go. Now this van also, the lower one's broken in there. See that there? I got to fix that one. That's the next one. All right, so these lower ones, you got to pull them up through the door here. So it's going to take a T27, all right, from the bottom. All right, and then here's this one. So you can see this one here is broken inside. So we got to get that piece out of there. And that's what our other one's for, that has the little angle on it, and I'll show you. Let's get that piece out of there. They're usually pretty brittle, so you can break them off. The piece is just breaking apart and falling out, so that's all out of there. All right, so same thing with this one here. We're going to smooth that out a little bit. Then we have the new piece that has that kind of different cut on it. That's going to fit inside of here. So I'm just going to take it here and slide it on. I'm just pulling this down so I get some extra slack in the cable. Sticking on there. All right, and then when we get it pushed on as far as we can, we're going to drop it in. All right, so now we have that in there. And it just sits inside. It's just, because it has that cutout right there, see that? You're able to just put it in there. It just has to stop this housing from going in. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and put this back into the door, and then I'll show you how it looks. And there we go. No problem. So that's all there is to it, guys. It's pretty simple. You can get those online. You can get them from Amazon. You can get them from eBay, anywhere. They're relatively inexpensive. I mean, I don't remember how much they're costing. I'll put a link if I find one on Amazon for you guys. But it's real simple to put them in. These are common to break. They just get dry and brittle, and the plastics OEM ones that are on the cables break, and you can't buy those separately. You have to buy a whole new cable. So buying these ends is the perfect solution for it. Get all your doors working again. Hopefully this helps you out, guys. Please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. Until next time, Stepco Stack Repair.